So first you want to lay down some type of tray so you can keep from oil getting everywhere. These are our polyolin gum capsules, which work perfectly for oil. Pour the capsule tops into the frame plate and shake it up. Let all the bodies fall in so they are right side up. Then we'll just take out any upside down ones real quick, put them right back in. Now we're going to do the same thing with our capsule tops. So you just shake them up on the capping plate, you fall in the right way, and then just flip over any upside down ones. So now we put the middle plate on top of the capping plate and put it to the side. So this time you're not going to need the tamper, which usually tamps down powder, and the powder spreader. Instead, we're going to use a syringe. Now this one has a blunt tip. We're going to take that tip off and then pull back our oil. And so before this, what we did was we measured out exactly how much oil was going to fit into our capsules. And the key here is to get as little oil on the outside of the capsule as possible. This is extremely important because getting too much oil on the outside will cause them to break or not go together properly. This is because you're causing it so that it cannot let air out when you press them together. And so now we're just going to take off any little bit of oil left on the top and that capping plate with the caps in it, flip it over and press it onto the capsule bodies filled with oil. Now you press it down hard to make sure they snap together fully. And 100 oil-filled capsules, exactly like you wanted. Now you notice there's a couple with some oil droplets on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour them out and then dry them off. So we're going to put a paper towel down, dry it off as best we can. Now we're going to store them. We use amber colored glass jars with natural wood tops and cork seals to keep oxygen and light from degrading the supplements over time. And then you're done.